What's up, people? This is Brewing Daddy at it again. We're going to be doing a product review for you from Northern Brewer, their Master Vinter Fresh Harvest Fruit Winemaking Kit. We're going to open it up, show you what's inside, and we're going to review the product. We also have the add-on for this kit, so we're also going to open that up and show it to you as well. So let's see what we got. A lot of paper. Alright, so we got our 1 gallon glass carboy. Looks like we got a 2 gallon bucket here. Graduations on the side there. And we got an instruction manual. Got a lid for our 2 gallon bucket. Looks like we got a bottle filler, and then our cane for our auto siphon, and our herculometer for measuring our specific gravity, and we've got a baggie with a bunch of goodies in it. Looks like we've got a couple of airlocks. This is our cap for our carboy. Another airlock. So an airlock for each one. We got some enzyme, some peptic enzyme. Wine canning. Lots of chemicals included in this kit. There's actually enough in here to make 15 1-gallon batches. We got some no rinse cleaner. I think there's another packet. Yeah, there's 2 of those. We got some acid blend. We have some potassium sorbate stabilizer. Some yeast nutrient. Looks like we have some Campden tablets, potassium metabisulfate. It looks like there's 50 of those. And 3 packages of wine yeast. And this looks like it is, I can't pronounce this, but it's a wine yeast. And then our hose for our filler. No, actually, hose for our siphon, or both actually. Looks like the hose is flat, so we're gonna have to get that into shape. But yeah, it's kind of strange, but it's not round, so we'll have to play with that to get it into shape. We'll attach one into our bottle filler or the cane here. Alright, so that's everything in the main kit, the 1 gallon starter kit. And then we also did the add-on, like I was saying, and we have bottles and some other items. I believe there's a second herculometer and the holder for it as well. Because I don't believe that this kit comes with that. Doesn't look like it. So it's just packaged alone, but you need a tube to use this. So no, it's just it. There's no tube with it. So I believe it comes with a tube, and also it comes with another one as well. Alright, so we're going to open that up also now and see what all comes in it. Alright, so this was packaged separately. We ordered it all together. It was right at it for both. It was a little bit over $100 with the taxes and everything. And of course we got free shipping. I think if you do 75 or more with Northern Brewer, you get free shipping. But it looks like we got our bottles, 12 of those, corks, and that's a package of 30. They're number 8 by 1.75 inch Master Vinter corks. And like I was saying, there's our tube and then our other tester for our gravity. So we actually get 2, which is kind of odd. Not sure why we'd have 2, but. And this is our manual corker. You just use this to knock your corks down into the bottle. And that's it. That's everything in here. So when you buy I'll spread everything out here so you can see everything you get. So when you buy this kit, this is what you get if you do the add-on. You got your 2 airlocks here, the bag, and then 12 bottles also. These are all clear. They look like they're decent bottles. Any wine bottles will work. You can reuse ones, just soak them and peel off the labels, but we didn't want to bother with that. We don't really have any wine bottles around. Most of what we do is beer, so this is all new to us. We're going to be venturing into winemaking, and we're going to be doing fruit wine. So they all pretty much look the same. Not sure what the deal is with that. The ring. It's got some kind of little ring in the glass. It's not a big deal. I don't think it's going to affect it any. Looks like all of them are like that. Interesting. As long as they work, that's all that really matters. They look to be decent bottles. Like I said, so one batch of the 1 gallon batch of these will make approximately 5 bottles this size. So we have enough to do 2 batches, and then we'll have 2 bottles left over roughly. So we don't plan to do anything more than 1 gallon batches in this for now. So look, that's a good look at everything that comes with it. This is everything that's needed to do 15 1 gallon batches of fruit wine. All that's needed besides what's here is the fruit. And you can use fresh fruit, you can use frozen fruit, you can use purees, you can even use juice, or you can even use grapes. So after using the Master Vinter wine set and making 2 batches of wine, here's our thoughts on it. It's a very complete set. Everything there that you need. Matter of fact, there's probably a little more than what you need in the set. It's a good value. We paid around $100 for the kit plus the add-on. We made 2 batches of wine. One was a blueberry wine, which you can see in one of our other videos, and also we made a strawberry wine. Both turned out pretty good. The only thing, we believe we over fermented both of them because we didn't stop. We didn't check periodically the alcohol levels and let the yeast ferment all of the sugar out. So it was a very strong and very dry wine, but it turned out good. So I think overall this is a really good starter kit for somebody that's looking to make wine. I don't think you can go wrong with it, and I think that you'll be very happy. There's a couple things that was a little bit strange, like 2 hydrometers being included when you buy the wine bottle add-on. I'm not sure why they would give you 2. That was just a little bit odd, but lots and lots of supplies. We plan to make some more wine with it. I want to do a peach wine, maybe like a mixed berry wine, so and maybe even an apple wine. So look for those to come out. But overall, I would say this is a really great product. Good deal. I think you can't go wrong with it. We'll include a link in the description. And also we'll include a link in the description to a product similar to this one that our current sponsor, morebeer.com, provides as well. But I would recommend this product. I think it was a good deal. I think you can't go wrong with it. You need to follow the instructions exactly to the T, and you'll turn out with some really good wine. Hope you enjoyed watching this video, and if you did, please hit that like button. Check out our other winemaking videos. We're going to have some more coming out soon, but check out our blueberry and our strawberry winemaking videos, and make sure to like our channel, subscribe, and also visit brewingdaddy.com. Peace out. We'll catch you next time.